The ruling party ZANU-PF has declared Brigadier General retired Jonathan Willie Hongwe a national hero, even as authorities remain tight-lipped about the cause of his death. Sabina Mashkobranyo Kopangwa Chinzi, General Hongwe declared national hero amid secrecy of cause of death. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. The announcement was made by Mashko Provincial Affairs Minister Israel Zamira at the 4th Infantry Brigade in Mashingo on Tuesday, following a funeral parade held in Hongwe's honor. Zamira said the conferment of national hero status was in recognition of Brigadier General retired Hongwe's distinguished service and unwavering commitment to defending Zimbabwe's sovereignty. However, neither the ministry nor the military officials provided details on the circumstances surrounding his death. Brigadier General Hongwe died on February 26 in Rutenga, Mashingo Province. Mourners have gathered at Subdivision 3, Ako Rank in Mwenezi, where funeral proceedings are underway. In a brief statement, Commander of the Zimbabwe National Army, Lieutenant General Asha Otata confirmed the death and announced that a funeral parade would be held at 4th Infantry Brigade in Mashingo. The statement did not disclose the cause of death. Hongwe's passing adds to a growing list of senior military figures who have died since the November 2017 military intervention that removed former President Robert Mugabe and ushered in the administration of President Emmerson Mnangagwa. In 2020, former Foreign Affairs Minister and retired Lieutenant General Sibusiso Moyo, who famously announced the military takeover on national television in 2017, died after short illness. While authorities have attributed most of these deaths to illness or accidents, the frequency of high-ranking military losses in the post-2017 period has continued to fuel public debate, given the central role played by the scrutiny establishment, by the security establishment in Zimbabwe's political transition and government since the coup. The Zimbabwe Defense Forces has not indicated any suspicious circumstances surrounding Brigadier General Hongwe's death. Funeral arrangements are ongoing, with the full military honors expected in line with established protocols for retired senior officers declared national heroes. Toma developments at Pomre Zimbabwe. In the comment section, videos of Muro Emo to live on the page. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.